All right, thanks for coming back to Barai Pro 68. What we have here is that Glock 21. If you want more information on it, there is a video that I have done kind of going over it, but I'm going to do a rare shooting video for me. Not really a fan because it doesn't say how well the gun's going to shoot for you. It's going to just say how well it shoots for me. I'm going to put 14 rounds down. This is actually 20, well, it's 22 feet, maybe 21. I'm sure they were going for 21. So that's what I'll be shooting from. 21 feet. This range has a very strict rule about rapid fire. You are only allowed one shot per second. I guess we can see it right there. It's one shot per second, so I can't really belt them out. But it gives me the opportunity to... Actually, you know what? I'm going to put an extra round in here. Let's 15 shots total out. Yep, there it is. So, one shot between rounds. I've been shooting here for about ever, so I don't want to break any rules. So forgive me as I kind of mentally count one shot per second. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... Didn't like that extra round in there. I tried to stuff the mag. My own fault. Didn't have enough room to clear. So now we're back to 14 rounds. And 1, and 2, and 3, and... Somehow I lost count. That's the video, and it reminds me not to try to stuff that mag full. Thanks for watching. Barai Pro 68.